Hey everyone, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn. Today we are diving into the exciting world of cybersecurity, where protecting valuable data and information is more crucial than ever. But before we jump into the essentials of cyber defense, let's first understand what cybersecurity is. Before moving forward, let me ask you a quick question. So which of the following is not an example of common cybersecurity threat? Option A is phishing, option B is malware, option C is firewall, or option D is ransomware. You can pause this video and answer in the comment section below. Alright, so now let's begin with the first topic, that is, what is cybersecurity? So cybersecurity refers to the practices and technologies used to protect computers, networks and digital information from unauthorized access, theft, damage or disruption. It is like digital lock and a key system that keeps your personal and sensitive information safe from hackers and other cyber threats. Just like you lock the doors of your house to keep the thieves out, cybersecurity keeps hackers out of your digital world. It involves things like using strong passwords, keeping software up to date, and being cautious when opening email attachments and clicking on the links. The cybersecurity market size is expected to reach $400 billion by 2028 as per Global Market Insights. Organizations and businesses also have a responsibility to implement cybersecurity measures to protect their customers' data and prevent cyber attacks that could harm their reputation and financial stability. Some of the popular companies with a very high demand of cybersecurity engineers are Symantec, Rapid7, FireEye, Microsoft, and Coalfire, etc. Now, career scope of cybersecurity. The career scope of cybersecurity is vast and ever expanding due to the increasing reliance on technology and growing threat of cybercrime. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand across various industries and sectors, including government, finance, healthcare, e-commerce and technology. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is expected to continue to grow as organizations increasingly prioritize protecting their data and systems from cyber threats. Now let's talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind, that is cybersecurity salaries. There are various roles in the field of cybersecurity, each with its own responsibilities and corresponding salary ranges. Let's discuss some common cybersecurity roles and their approximate salary ranges. First is ethical hacker. Ethical hackers are cybersecurity professionals who are responsible for accessing the security of computer systems, networks, applications, and other digital assets to identify vulnerabilities. They perform authorized, legal, and controlled hacking activities to file vulnerabilities and report them to the organization for remediation. The average salary of an ethical hacker is around 16 lakhs in India and $88,000 in the United States. Next is security engineer. A security engineer plays a critical role in ensuring the security and integrity of an organization, information systems, networks, and data. Their responsibilities typically include designing and implementing security measures, monitoring and detecting security breaches, etc. The average salary of a security engineer is around 8 lakhs in India and $120,000 in the United States. Next up, we have Chief Information Security Officer. The Chief Information Security Officer, or CISO, is a senior leadership role responsible for overseeing the organization's information security strategy, policies, and programs. The CISO is accountable for ensuring the confidentiality, integrity of the organization information, protecting them from cybersecurity threats. The average salary of a Chief Information Security Officer is around 76 lakhs in India and $186,000 in the United States. The next role is Network Security Engineer. A Network Security Engineer is responsible for managing and securing the connections and communication between devices, computers over the internet. They play a crucial role in implementing and maintaining security measures that safeguard network connections and ensure the protection of sensitive information transmitted over the internet. The salary of a Network Security Engineer is around 6 lakhs in India and $101,000 in the United States. Now moving on to the next role, that is IT Security Specialist. An IT Security Specialist collaborates with a team of IT professionals to create strategies and plans for safeguarding devices and systems within an organization against cyber attacks. They conduct assessments of the IT systems to identify potential vulnerabilities and work with the team to strengthen the security posture of the organization's IT environment. The average salary of an IT security specialist is around 12 lakhs in India and $112,000 in the United States. So these are the various roles in the cybersecurity, and along with these there are many other roles also. Next, that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.